What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you could just hit that subscribe button right now, give us a thumbs up because we need it.
Yeah, we need freaking positivity in our life.
Yeah, because as you can tell from the thumbnail of this video and from the title, our vehicle's flooded. We're in this nice rental right now, you know. Thanks for Enterprise.
Shout out to Geico and Enterprise, man.
Yeah, definitely hooking us up with this. But other than that, it's just more. Don't know what's gonna happen with the season 5 project that we've had on our channel.
Oh yeah.
Mainly because that thing's most likely totaled. So we'll have to see what goes on with that.
That's another big thing to look out for, guys. Is we don't know
what's gonna happen to it.
Yeah, we don't know if it's totaled. We don't know if it can be bought back. We don't know if what else? How much it's gonna be to buy back. We already know I'm not buying back the TC.
Yeah, his TC's gone.
Well, actually, you can't, from what we found out today.
Oh yeah, so apparently you can't buy a vehicle back if go left. Apparently, no, go straight. Apparently you can't buy a vehicle back if it's not older than 10 years. But we'll have to see what insurance and the lien holder on the Corvette, what they say buyback is, to see if we get back into that. Hopefully we can. And
it keeps sounding shady every time you talk to him on the phone.
Yeah,
which
so
is really weird, but
we'll definitely see how that turns out. But other than that, we haven't made a video in a second, but that's because I've been gone for work and the vehicle's flooded, dude.
Oh, whoops.
R.I.P.
Yeah. But yeah, so basically, we turn right here?
Yes.
We're off to go get some ice cream, guys. But, you know, besides that, you know, we're trying to make ourselves feel better. But, yeah, it was a pretty huge experience for us. There's a, you know, typical 5.0 Mustang. Don't mind him just being loud because that's the only thing done to most of them on the road. But anyways, I was out on the road. You were in a different state.
Yeah. I was gone altogether, guys. So
came back.
Yeah, I came back to basically most likely a total vehicle.
Yeah, I came back. Freaking, we pulled up. We seen what was going on. Hopped out of the car because, you know, gotta, you know, get to it. We couldn't even make it in the parking lot with the car that we were in.
The water was up to like your waist, wasn't it?
Hopped out. It was at the point where we were at, it was to my, like, above my knees. Walked further and it went up to high thigh to waist point. Even freaking tripped on a curb.
Oh yeah, you
fell
almost
into
died.
the water. Yeah, went swimming. Could have drowned.
Dude, I don't like this thing.
Yeah, no, I don't either. Freaking, I already knew the car was done. It's the lowest car out in the lot. I mean, there was Challengers, Mustangs, your vet, my car.
Basically, all the typical military guys' cars that were there got flooded.
Yeah.
And honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna run this. I don't know if I'm gonna make like a little RIP like video at the beginning, or just throw these pictures in sporadically at points so you guys can see them too. So we'll see how I set this video up. But this,
because we have pictures of freaking so much carnage.
It's ridiculous what happened. So I mean, you guys haven't heard from us for a while, but you guys haven't seen from us for a while. Mainly, I had to jump on to the Trailblazer and all the stuff that we were gonna do in basically like a week and a half.
Oh yeah, I forgot all that.
Basically, all the stuff that we were gonna do and planning out to do it over the span of a week and a half. We did it in 2 days. So
yeah, and that actually went pretty smoothly compared to last time. We had some help from a buddy that
shout out Kildow.
Yeah.
Shout out Kildow.
He's
he works with us.
Race, you know, he deals with braking transmissions. All right, guys, that's what we're getting at.
And he likes Dodges, so he hated working on a Chevy.
He helped us seat the converter incorrectly, etc., etc. It went smoothly. We have a leak, and we have a misfire.
So basically, there's just a couple things because the motor hasn't been broken in, because you haven't seen it in so long. That knee cleaned up on it, gone through. It's rich. I still need to tune that. I already knew I needed to tune that when I got it.
Now it's even more rich because of misfire.
Yeah. So definitely look into that. We'll see how that goes.
But other than that, like, it leaked. We got a new gasket for it, slapped that on it, and it's an easy. We already know where it's not some hidden leak.
Yeah, so, and we've done transfer cases a million times. So, sorry we haven't really been recording. We've just been trying to live life. Life comes up, life happens. So, we got some dealing with
stuff coming up on the Z.
Yeah.
I mean, it's basically there. We need to get it tuned, but
I haven't had time to tune
priorities.
it. So, really, the Z will be coming out with more content on that. If we're in a position where I can buy back my vet and it be a reasonable buyback, we got that coming for you guys too. Show you how to make a race car out of a flooded vehicle.
Yeah.
But
and really, I mean, besides that, that's what
we're going to LS Fest. So if you guys are going to go there, just hit us up.
Right.
Show us down in the comments if you guys are going to be there. Bowling Green, early September.
But besides all that, that's what we've had going on. We are still doing the giveaway. It's still going on. It's coming up. What day? The 30th?
Yeah. So no, it's 31st.
31st.
August is 31st. So I'll throw a link down to that video in the description if you guys want to go check that out.
This is going to be our last confusingly set up giveaway.
Yeah.
We don't want to change rules now, but now we know
how to set them up a lot easier and better to make it easier for everyone involved.
Don't hate on us too much. We're still some newbies. We're getting there.
Yeah. We gotta work. You have a little couple failures to work everything out. So we're getting better on all aspects, and hopefully, yeah, you are. But we're getting better on all aspects. So thanks for sticking with us, guys. I know it's been a wild ride for the past 2 weeks, especially if you live for our content, you know. But hey, you gotta hit that subscribe button to see us as much as awesome.
Please show some support.
Yeah. So other than that, you got anything else you want to say?
Nah, I think that's about all. Besides, rolling out in this fresh Fusion.
Yeah. I don't like this car at all, but I love these AC seats.
Oh shoot, that's perfect timing.
So guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, throw us a likes up, throw us a comment if you've ever dealt with a flooded vehicle. And other than that, peace out, guys.